How to fix Play Store keeps crashing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store keeps crashing on Android phone. First thing, just go to settings and then scroll down. Scroll until you find apps and then click apps again. And now you need to find Google Play Services here. And here you will find this one here, storage, and click clear cache. Now just go back until you find Google Play Store, and here you will find data usage permissions, and you need to allow all of those here and go back and then go to storage. Now click clear cache, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go back here and click clear data and click OK, and then restart your phone and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.